Let's move on to step 5, creating your operating agreement. California actually requires LLC to have one. The good news is that you don't need to file it with the state. You just need to have it on hand with your business records. Even though it's required, it's also genuinely useful. Without one, California default rules can govern your LLC, rules that might not match how you want to run your business. A written operating agreement puts ownership, decision-making, and profit distribution all in writing. It also helps protect your liability status if your LLC is ever challenged in court. Even if you're the only member, it's worth having. Northwest provides free operating agreement templates inside of your account. I'll also link one down in the description below. Download it, fill in your details, sign it, and keep it with your business records. You don't file it with the state. It's just an internal document for your LLC. If you've only followed along so far, and now you're ready to get started, remember to use the link in the description to get the best available price with Northwest Registered Agent.